Hi guys, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Yinky, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a single piece shirt collar. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to cut the shirt collar and also how to fix it on your shirt. So if you are interested in this tutorial, let's get started. So this is the shirt and you're going to measure the circumference of the neckline, and I have 19 inches. 19 inches for the whole circumference of the neckline. So I'm going to take this is my fabric, which is on fold. Then I will take 19 inches divided by 2, which will give me 9.5. So I'm going to mark 9.5 on a straight line. So mark it on a straight line. Then after I have done that, I will add half of an inch sewing allowance to it. So having done that, I'm going to measure the button allowance, which is 1 inch. So I'll add it to the measurement like so. So the stand of the button will just be 1.5. So here I will raise this part up by half of an inch. So this is to make the collar sit on the neckline very well. So you're going to blend it to the midpoint of the shoulder like so. Then you take the collar width, which is 4 inches from what I have marked. I will just take it from the line that I marked, 4 inches, 4 inches. Then the collar, the button stand is 1.5. 1.5 also here. Also measure 1.5 here also, and also 1.5 here. Then blend it up, cuff it up. So from here, I'll check my measurement, 1.5. Then I'm going to slant this for my collar spread. So this will be out. I'll just cut it out like so. I'm trying to cut my shirt collar right now. So I'll cut it out like this. So I'm trying to check the collar width if it's intact, which is 4 inches overall collar width. So having done that, the overall length is 10 inches because of the half-inch sewing allowance added to the collar. Then trim this part off, the part that will make the collar to sit on the neckline properly. Then after you have done that, this is the roll line of your collar. If you're making a two-piece collar, you're going to have that roll line. Then I will cut another piece to make it 2 pieces so that I will use one to turn it. So right away, I have 2 pieces right now in order to use one to turn it. And this is my interfacing for it to give my fabric support. Then iron the interfacing. It has gum on one side and it's more of fabric. This type of interfacing is not too hard. It is called hair stay in Nigeria. So I'm going to iron it to both fabric so as to give it full support, and it will make the fabric, when you iron it, it will make it to stay well. It won't be too hard. So I will stitch round by half of an inch. I'm stitching round my collar half of an inch. The only place you are going to leave is the part you are going to fix on the neckline, which is the only part that I did not stitch. So you turn to the right side like so. Use your scissors to push out all those parts that are pointed. So I'll push it out, then iron it properly. So after you ironed it, this is what you have. Then I'm ready to fix it on the shirt right now, on the neckline. So I will take the measurement again on fold to be able to cross-check if we are still on the right lane. So then I'll fix the shirt collar the way you're seeing it. Place your fabric like so. First of all, work with half of an inch right away, starting from one end to the other. Then I'm going to stitch by half-inch sewing allowance. So stitch right away from one end to the other. Then after you have done that, the next thing is to bring the part that, we are only fixing one edge of the collar. So the other part will now be folded on this one. So I'm going to fold it up by half of an inch. Then you can use a stitch in the ditch method or just stitch on the tip of the fold. Stitch on the tip of the fold like so. And it's very, very easy to make a single piece shirt collar. You can see how simple it is. So we are almost done with making our shirt collar. We are almost done. So feel free to subscribe to my channel because I have lots of amazing tutorials, short tutorials and long tutorials like this that you can gain from. So this is my roll line. I have rolled it up and this is what I have. And we've come to the end of making our single piece shirt collar. So don't forget to like and also share this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye.